Legal matter for Chandigarh High Court senior stenographer 120 word per minute, 430 words. Be ready, start. It has been suggested that the effect of the words "and not more" is to exclude the operation of those provisions of the Limitation Act referred to in clause within bracket A of section within bracket 2. The inclusion of these words is no doubt indicative of the intention of the court that the presentation must be made within the time allowed, save only as the rule then provides if the judge thinks fit to grant further time. The provisions of the Limitation Act mentioned in clause of section 29 within bracket 2 have however effect in so far as and to the extent to which they are not expressly excluded by the special or local law, and in my judgment the use of the phrase expressly excludes negatives the exclusion of these provisions by implications. Full stop. I do not therefore think that the words "and not more" have any effect other than that of emphasis. I am therefore of the opinion that the provisions of section 12 within bracket 2 apply in computing the period of limitation for an appeal under the letters patent. This subsection, so far as is relevant, provides that in computing the period of limitation prescribed for an appeal, the day on which the judgment complained of was pronounced and the time requisite for obtaining a copy of the decree appealed from shall be excluded, and in view of the decision of the Privy Council, it is not in dispute that if this subsection applies, the appellant was entitled to exclude the time requisite for obtaining a copy of the decree appealed from, and that this appeal was preferred within time. In view of the opinion I have formed on the first submission of learned counsel for the appellant, it is unnecessary for me to consider the second argument which he has advanced, and on that argument expressed no opinion. In my judgment, the appellant is entitled to exclude the time requisite for obtaining a copy of the decree appealed from, and I would answer the reference accordingly. Paragraph. The question referred to this bench is as to whether in computing the period of limitation fixed by the rules of this court for preferring a letters patent appeal, the time requisite for obtaining copies of the judgment and the decree should be excluded. Full stop. The arguments advanced by Mr. Kirti, learned counsel for the appellant, are that the rules framed by this code under the letters patent are special or local law within the meaning of section 29 within bracket 2 Limitation Act 1908, and therefore the provisions of section 12 of the Act would apply for the purpose of determining the period of limitation. Full stop.